Your website might be costing you customers right now, and not for the reason you think. You see, most business owners built a website that's basically a digital billboard and just to show how awesome that they think they are. But your website really only has one real job, and that is to be the hardest working salesperson, collecting you leads and actually making your business money. So today I'll show you exactly what your website needs in order to do that and why most of you need a rebuild. Welcome to the Marketing Domination Podcast. I'm Sean Garner and I am the founder of Sean Garner Consulting. We are a digital marketing agency that helps local service business owners get found, get more leads, and dominate their market. But I'm not just a marketing agency owner. I'm actually a business owner myself for local service business owners. My wife and I own a medical spa, functional medicine practice. So all of this stuff that we talk about is not just theory, it's things and playbooks that we put into practice in our own business. This show is for those business owners who are great at what they do and would rather do just about anything else than have to worry about marketing. So each week I break down marketing into plain English so you know exactly what you need to be working on in your business so that it grows and you don't have to become the marketer yourself. So let's get into it. Here's our truth. Business owners typically spend a lot of money on a website, think it's going to work, and then wonder why the phone doesn't ring. And the reason is because you got to remember your customers most of the time have never met you. They don't know that you have 20 years of experience. And when they land on your website, within seconds, they are instantly comparing you to your competition. So if your competition site looks better, guess what? They're going to assume that they have a better level of service. If your competitor's website is clear, then guess what? They win, even if you are actually better at the work that it is that you do. Your website has to reflect the level of service you give because that's the only thing the customer is judging you on. See, most websites, they build them, like business owners build them as just a digital billboard and they don't think about it as a sales asset. They're not built and they shouldn't be designed just to make the business owner feel good about themselves. It should not be a digital business card. What it should be doing is really two things if you want your business to grow. Number one is your website has to look better than your competition. You are being compared on a first impression. Think about your website as a digital storefront. So whenever a customer drives by or they were to walk into a real storefront, right, they're going to judge based upon how it visually looks compared to other businesses in the same niche. So it has to stand out from a design standpoint. The second thing is your website has to be wireframed to convert. And by convert, it means we want our customers or those potential customers that are coming on our website to take an action. And those actions that we want is we want to get more leads and get more sales. So AKA make more money. So in order to make that happen, your website needs three make or break sections. The first one is the most important section of your website, and that's the header. The header is that first thing that you see on your website before you have to scroll. And the header has to answer these three questions within 5 seconds or your potential customers are leaving for your competition. Number one is, what do you do? I can't tell you how many times I will look at websites and review websites for potential customers or clients, and it's not even really clear what it is they do. Think about something like the fitness industry, right? I was in the fitness industry for a long time, so I use lots of examples from that. But imagine going onto a website and it says, look, feel, and perform your best. Okay. Well, that sounds awesome, and that's part of what we need in our header, but what do you do? That could be said for a medical clinic, for a supplement, for a fitness program, for an app, right? So there's a lot of different things that could be what that is. So we want to be very, very clear on what it is you do. Don't assume because you are a plumber, an HVAC, a med spa, a chiropractor that people know what it is you do. We want to be clear and tell them what it is that we do. The second thing that we need in that header is, how do you make my life better? We need to remind the customers or our potential customers how their life is going to get better after they get this thing. Because again, we don't want to sell the thing. We want to sell the solution to the thing. So people aren't looking for your service. They are looking for a solution to a problem. So we need to remind them how their life will get better. The third thing is, what do I need to do to get it? We need to be specific and very clear and direct on what it needs to be. Even if you are a plumber, right, you should name the exact services, not hide behind vague taglines or the business name. If your header doesn't do those things, you are losing money. Second thing that you need is you need a clear, direct call to action. This is the second biggest mistake that I see on so many businesses' websites is they're putting things like contact us or learn more. We don't want to do that. We're wasting money by making our customers have to burn too many calories to figure out what it is that we actually do and how they need to get what we want them to do in order to work with us. So we want to tell them exactly what to do to get their problem. It should be a clear, direct call to action. It's something like book your appointment, schedule your assessment, call now. We want to be very clear and direct on what we want our customers to do so they can get that problem solved. And the third thing is social proof. Don't just say you're the best, prove it. That's one of the big secrets to SEO. The O is optimization. It is being clear and proving it to Google and to ChatGPT and these crawlers on why you deserve to rank where you think that you should be, which is obviously the top. Everybody wants to be on the top. But don't just say you're the best because every business is going to say that they're best. How you prove that is with things like Google reviews, testimonials, before and afters, portfolios. We want to actually be able to prove these things to Google and these crawlers so we can not only get the ranking of getting to show up higher, but then once our customers are there, again, they are trying to scan the website. They're trying to find the best person to get their problem solved. And so if we are good at what we do, that means we should be getting Google reviews. We should have testimonials and we should have before and after pictures and portfolios, examples of our work that we can showcase. Most small business owners don't fail because of their product. They fail because their marketing is a mess. And if you ever wondered what's missing in yours, I created the Marketing Domination Checklist. It's a simple step-by-step guide to help you build, fill, and optimize your sales funnel so you can finally grow with confidence. Don't keep guessing. Use this checklist to see exactly what's working and what's broken in your marketing. Download it free today at SeanGarner.co/MD checklist. Now, back to the show. Now, there might be some people right now, they're like, well, I have a really good website. I think that it looks really good. Well, just because it looks good doesn't mean that you can't improve it and convert it. And we saw this exact same thing with one of our clients, Fox Salon. So you can see here, this is what their original website looked like. It didn't look bad. I mean, there's probably some of you that are, if you're watching this on the video podcast or on YouTube, you're like, well, this doesn't look bad to me. And I don't think that it looked bad. There's been lots of other service-based businesses that we've seen that looked a whole lot worse than this. But the thing is the copy wasn't really actually written for what people were searching for. And so it wasn't getting found. The other issue that they were having on this website is you can see like they had their phone number right up here, but the main thing that they really wanted people to do was to become a guest or reserve an appointment. And their booking process here was really, really clunky. And it was taking on average 13 minutes to fill out that initial completion form. And so that was giving them like an 11% conversion rate. So even if they were getting found by their potential customers, nobody was filling out the form. And so it wasn't converting. So this is what we did. We took the website and we completely elevated it. So you can see just like instantly the video pops. It's what they are. They are Amarillo, Texas. They are a hair salon. We completely elevated the look, the styling. We added tons of copy. That is the types of things that they actually provide. So you can see on their old website, they didn't even list the main services. So we're listing the main pillar services that they are wanting to show up for. We've got tons of quotes and testimonials. We're embedding their Google reviews over onto their website. We rewrote the page and copy around the right keywords, and we rebuilt the form on their website. And so now they rank in the top 3 for Amarillo Hair Salon, Hair Extensions Amarillo, and their monthly organic traffic from Google went up over 100% just in the past 3 months since we started doing SEO once the website launched. Then, just by fixing the form and the conversions, because again, the website looked good, but it wasn't actually converting, and that's what a website should be doing, is making you money. We took their monthly leads that were coming in from their website and over 3x'd them. So imagine what that would look like for your business to get 3 times the amount of leads. And this is this is crazy. They didn't add new services. It's the same business. It's the same great looking aesthetic brand that they have, same level of service that they were providing. All we did was create a clear experience on the website. We used words that customers were searching for, and we wireframed it out so that way everybody that came to the website had a quicker experience in order to become a lead and a potential customer. So one thing to remember remember is your website is not a digital billboard. It should be your greatest sales asset, but it's only going to do that if it looks better than your competition and it's clearly wireframe to consistently bring in leads and make you money. Okay. So remember, your website is not a billboard. It needs to be a sales asset. In order to do that, it has to look better than your competition and wireframe to convert. It needs to have those 3 make or break sections that we talked about, that clear header, a clear call to action, and social proof. So those are just 3 of the things that your website needs in order to truly stand out online. But there's a whole lot more to that. There's actually, in our opinion, 14 sections that you need on your website. Not going to walk you through all 14 sections here and put you to sleep. Maybe that's another episode and you can play it before you go to bed. But we put the entire wireframe on our website so you can get it today. You can compare it to what your existing website has to see what sections you're missing. So that way you can make sure that your website starts actually making you money. And if you go through that, you download the template and you're like, whoa, this is too much. Hey, don't worry. We would love the opportunity to see if it's a good fit and serve you. You can just go to our website, SeanGarner.co, and you can book a call with me. We'll review your existing website and your existing marketing, and we'll see exactly what you need to do so you can get your business to be found everywhere your customers are looking for it, stand out online, and have a website that actually makes you money. Because then once your website does start converting, you have to get found. So on the next episode, we're going to talk about the real SEO that you should be doing in order to make sure that you are found everywhere your customers are searching for. So go to the website, SeanGarner.co, click on the resources, download our click to client wireframe template. So that way you can make sure your website stands out online compared to your competition. I'll see you on the next episode.